Join me on the ultimate bikepacking adventure as I tackle challenging terrains with my gear list in tow. Are you ready for the ultimate bikepacking adventure? Get ready to ditch the roads and hit the trails as we explore the great outdoors on two wheels. Bikepacking is an incredible way to experience the outdoors, combining the thrill of biking with the freedom of camping. It's an adventure like no other, allowing you to cover vast distances and explore hidden gems that would be impossible to reach on foot. When it comes to bikepacking, selecting the right gear is crucial. You need gear that's lightweight, durable, and versatile enough to handle the demands of rough terrain and unpredictable weather. But with so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to figure out what you really need. One of the biggest challenges is striking the right balance between weight and durability. You want gear that's going to keep you safe and comfortable, but you don't want to be lugging around a ton of extra weight. And then there's the issue of versatility. You need gear that can adapt to different environments and conditions. As I've learned from my own bikepacking experiences, it's essential to prioritize functionality and practicality when choosing your gear. You want to be able to focus on the ride, not worry about whether your gear is going to hold up. Let's dive into the essential gear you'll need for a successful bikepacking adventure. First and foremost, you'll need a lightweight tent that's going to keep you dry and comfortable in the wilderness. Next, you'll need a sleeping bag that's warm, compact, and breathable. A portable cooking stove is also a must-have, allowing you to whip up a hot meal on the go. And don't forget a multi-tool, which can come in handy for everything from fixing broken chains to opening cans of food. My top gear recommendation for bikepacking has to be the Big Agnes Fly Creek HVUL2 tent. This thing is a game changer. It's incredibly lightweight, yet still offers plenty of interior space and weather protection. Another essential item is the Sea to Summit Spark SPI sleeping bag, which is ridiculously warm and compact. I'm also a huge fan of the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 stove, which is feather light and boils water in no time. And for a multi-tool, you can't go wrong with the Leatherman rebar. It's got everything you need for basic bike maintenance and more. When it comes to bikepacking, the right gear can make all the difference between a great trip and a disastrous one. By investing in quality, functional gear, you'll be able to focus on the ride and enjoy the transformative experience of exploring nature on two wheels. As you gear up for your own bikepacking adventures, remember to share your own experiences and tips in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest outdoor gear reviews and adventure tips, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining me on this epic bikepacking adventure. Until next time, get out there and ride.